There exist places in our world unchanged by the passage of time. Incredible places filled with ancient stories. Like a window into a forgotten world.
One giant's name that whispers
Nature
out.
is full of patterns.
One giant voice.
Once you see them, the possibilities are boundless.
This is our home.
Join us on an incredible journey through the untouched serenity and untamed wilds of Africa.
We embrace.
This year, despite forces of change, the circle of life is timeless, and its power remains. Discover the wonder of nature untamed. This is Africa.
This is our home.
Serengeti, journey to the heart of Africa.